What's up? So today we're going to be talking about is aluminum. Aluminum in the shop. Me and aluminum, we get along, but at first we did not. So aluminum is way different than welding steel, as it can get super hot way faster, and next thing you know it's crumbling. So with the help of Trav and Logue and Austin, I learned how to weld aluminum, but let's get started. It also depends on the thickness. We have 40 thou, 60 thou, 80 thou, 1/8 inch. Different kinds of aluminum, obviously we can measure here with our calipers. Let's talk more about aluminum. Here we go. Alright, so real quick, the biggest thing with aluminum is the heat control. Because if it's too cold, the aluminum won't penetrate, and if it's too hot, it's just going to melt and fall over. You're going to... Trav's not going to be really happy, so... So one of the biggest things with aluminum is prep. We clean all of our aluminum off with some acetone, because aluminum does not want to weld if it's dirty at all. So aluminum shows everything. If it's dirty or oxidized, there's no hiding it. There's no covering up. It's going to show everything, whereas steel, it's a little more forgiving with that. You might ask what makes aluminum harder to weld than steel. The biggest thing is it warps. It gets hotter a lot quicker. It warps faster, and it really doesn't tell you when it's about to move. So you gotta be careful, especially depending if you're welding thinner aluminum. You just have to be a little more precise on the pedal. So here at the ARC, we weld belly pans 240, 250, trans pans 240, 250, fuel tanks, 5-gallon fuel tanks, puke tanks, different style puke tanks. Trying to think what else. That's the main things we usually weld with aluminum. Our biggest seller is definitely our aluminum fuel tanks. I think everybody likes them because they got the gauge in them, and it literally tells you when you're going to empty, so that's kind of nice. You don't have to worry about overfilling it, and you know, whether you're in gas or alcohol, ruining all your powder coat, your paint, etc. So, but that's a wrap for today. Hopefully you learned something. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll leave that up to the big man, boss man Trav, to answer that. Yeah, like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys.